What is that for?
Well, I added maple syrup because when things are frozen, they don't have as much flavor. So I want to make it stronger flavor. Come on around, bud.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, bud.
I'm ready to make the popsicles.
Come on over.
Okay.
Okay.
I was gonna go.
Was you gonna sit there?
You.
Well, we'll trade places after a minute.
What
Whoa! Drip down the side.
What is this kind?
We don't have any bananas.
Oh, we can do that. Oh,
We're gonna do this kind.
I don't have kiwi.
This is an acai. Okay, here we go. So, what I had Wisdom do was mix in some gelatin. I'll put on the cap. That ain't gonna help much. Oh yeah, good idea. I had Wisdom mix in some gelatin.
And grab a bag and get it ready. Okay, that's your job. My job is to put the funnel in this. But do I get them?
Pull out a new bag for us.
Grab more of these bags and hand them to me, and I hand them to Mom. Right here in this bag. Wait. In what bag?
Right here, buddy.
Right here. I thought you wanted to get another bag.
Okay, I feel it too full. So Wisdom put gelatin in it so that they're not so icy.
So I don't have to keep grabbing them out. One at a time, okay?
Who's gonna eat these popsicles?
Me.
You. Are they gonna be
All
delicious?
alone.
All alone?
No, not all alone. You're supposed to hand the funnel to me.
As this gets a little emptier, I'll let you guys pour.
Yeah, it's not all the way open.
It's good.
I guess I'll have to make sure they are next time.
I messed it up. Oh well.
Wait, I'm not ready. That's sealed.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
This one I filled a little too full. Hopefully it doesn't
I
split.
accidentally dripped it on the edge.
Yep, that's what I'm doing too. I'm good at that.
Can you hand this here? You flashed it for me. Yeah. It's on the back.
We should make some maybe like lemon yogurt or something and make some more.
A really good idea.
You do?
Carrot. What else making right now? Pickles.
Popsicles?
Yeah.
Carrot
Yeah.
popsicles?
Yeah.
How would we do that? What would we make?
So
what would we do?
So we chop up popsicles. I can't
Chop up a popsicle?
Then we get the juice out.
Oh.
No, a banana. Then we make it. Then we put in dough. And then it's harder to make these than it looks like. Not ready though.
I keep accidentally filling these too much. I think I'm going to pour some of this one out. Here. No, I'm not, because it's going to mess up the ribs. I won't seal it good.
Oh, are we making those?
Yeah.
Yes. Me and
These are acai berry popsicles.
So, making blueberry.
We can make some orange coconut ones.
Yeah.
Off the table, Mabel.
No, wait. I got you one. How did you add to it?
There. Finally didn't do that one too full. We added gelatin and maple syrup.
And blue.
Acai?
Acai popsicles.
It's true.
And it says acai. Not acai. But it looks like it, and we can also do...
It does. That looks like blueberry, blackberry.
Raspberry. Grape juice is kind of like plain.
Do you want to pour this?
Sure. I want to pour one.
You can pour the next one. Hold on to the bag so it doesn't blow away. Pour very slow. Oh, yeah. You can help me hold it, but I'm going to hold it too. Pour very slow. Excuse me. I don't really want to
Making
take it back.
popsicles,
Keep
Dad.
going.
Nice.
I think I should make a
Slow down.
chocolate one for
Tiny
you.
bit more.
Oh, that'd be good.
Very little. He said that he if he gave you one and made it by himself, that you would say, "Thank you, Azariah." That is right.
Hiya, your job is to hand them to me.
Okay.
Kind of feels like grape.
Nay can pour this one, and then Azariah can pour the next one. Do you want to?
It's alright.
Okay. Azariah? Okay, Sim, here, sit down.
They do look
Scoot down a little bit, Tom, Sim. Okay, you ready?
The wind's blowing a little bit.
Go very slow, because it's more than we need in this. There you go, perfect.
I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. You went past.
Perfect, you did wonderful.
Yeah, you passed.
Not much. It's great.
Hey, can you get back in your spot, Hal? Hey, the bag.
Are you going to pour the last one?
Yeah. No, that's not the last one.
Wait a minute. I think that's just going to fill it. There's more bags. Yeah, we can make another kind.
I don't feel good about putting the jar on this thing.
Is that all that's in there?
No. No.
Yeah, it's kind of nervousing. Do you want me to hold it for you?
Sure. Mercy.
Don't go too fast though.
Oh, that's not much.
This will be if someone wants a little one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, take the funnel and set it on top there so we don't drip everywhere.
I want to have a little one.
You're blue.
I want to have a little one.
Okay, so I'll put it in the freezer just like that for you.
Yeah.
Nay, do you want to put this in my freezer? Oh, wait. I don't think it'll fit in my freezer. Go find out. Go find out.
There's gonna be more.
This is the maple syrup we use. It's
There's
wood
gonna
fire.
be a whole
Most.
thing. Can I do it? So this is the maple syrup spied. And
Yeah.
it's wanting to, and it's using it because it's like it. And
We like this one because they cook it on fire. Tell them that.
Them cook it on fire. That's like it because they
Should we
cook it
make
on
another
fire.
kind today?
And there's other buckets.
Yeah. This one tastes the best we've ever had.
And that's the bucket again with the guy coming up to
It's not
put
cheaper, I
things
don't
in.
think. Probably about the same.
The little and the little holes in the tree.
Yeah, they do put little holes in the tree to do it.
And it's maple.
Yeah.
And
Most maple syrup is reverse osmosis, yeah?
I like this maple leaf.
Mm-hmm.
I could eat maple leaves.
You can. They're not very tasty, though.
Yeah. Didn't taste sweet.
No.
Yeah.
This
But
tastes like a leaf.
And they're not just sweet. There's bitterness.
You can eat their seeds, though.
But you can't eat the seeds.
Yeah.
Are them sweet? The seeds?
No, they kind of taste like beans.
And
I see you.
what does this say, Mom?
Pure old-fashioned maple syrup.
This says pure old-fashioned maple syrup.
Yep.
And it's strawberry back. And so putting strawberries in it. And so
Yep.
should have the strawberries.
Yeah, we're going to do strawberries. Okay, so dump these strawberries in.
What strawberries?
I mean, these strawberries.
I'm going to dump the coconut oil in.
Coconut oil. Here's some fresh strawberries we're going to use.
This is coconut. I'm going to dump. Can I dump that? Okay.
Wait a minute. I want to see. I will say yes to that, but I want to see how full our blender is with one.
Going without.
There's no vanilla in here.
I gotta pour out.
We can scrape them. Oh, blending the whole bean?
No, I don't want any beans coming out. But see the drips?
Oh.
Beans will fall out, yeah.
Okay, beans. Okay, for the beans.
Yeah. Here, let me see it.
Do we not
I can
want
make
the
knife.
beans?
Mama.
Hey, can I go with my hand? Can I go with my hand?
If she says yes. You don't want to help us with this?
Actually, I will.
Yeah, because you can't do both.
I can do both.
Yeah, and also you'd be bored from your car.
We're going to add
Blender. Strawberries.
strawberries.
Could I help?
Yeah,
There's already some strawberries in.
I know.
Oh, you need
Whoa.
strawberry and salt.
Okay.
Coconut.
Okay, don't move. He's coming past you with the coconut. Here, I'll hold it while you come over here closer.
That's my turn.
Whoops.
Tap
Tap
it.
No, wait a minute.
I gotta
I'm
go
not gonna
blend
do
it?
that one yet. I'm not gonna do that one yet. We're gonna make another batch. You have to find the. Do you have the lid?
Yeah, it's over there by the blender part.
A glug of it.
A lot.
You think that's a lot?
Yeah.
That probably was maybe a quarter cup.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can go put a lid on it and blend it and come back to us.
Okay.
That work for you?
Yeah.
You want to sit by me? Okay, I'll be right back. I want to get a thing to put the popsicles in.
Why are you laughing too hard, Azariah?
I never doing this.
Ready?
Excellent.
Okay, let's see.
Call it.
I see some vanilla over here.
Dripped on me. It's the blender. It carries its strength.
Okay, who wants to taste it?
Nose.
Stick your finger under it. Tell me if it's good enough.
I want to.
You gotta get your
It's
hand up
amazing
here.
enough.
Let's go.
That is good. I think I'm gonna add some more maple syrup though,
Yeah.
Do it.
because I think that it's gonna taste too plain when it's frozen.
Tastes like.
Oh yeah.
It tastes like It tastes like
Right.
What is that? Coconut.
Do you want to blend it one more time with some strawberries?
Sure. I was thinking more strawberries.
Yeah, more strawberries.
Wisdom won't be eating these ones
Yeah, I
Why does this?
did.
because
Coconut
she doesn't do good with coconut.
She can't.
Hey.
Okay,
Hey,
don't forget to lid it.
Lit it is what I like to do.
Oh no!
Just the packaging.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
So.
we're gonna make just maple syrup popsicles. So we
Oh
gotta
no,
pour
we're not.
it all in here, like Kaya says. On its vacation, a trunk. Say it.
Maybe I'm gonna have you make another batch.
This is gonna be amazing. Carry on its vacation.
Carry on.
I want more of these bags.
A trunk.
Okay, Nay, you can make this batch.
All right. So just strawberries and syrup in this.
Ooh, careful, you about dumped it.
And then we get to do the fun part.
I didn't get a.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. I told you could do that, didn't I? You dump in maple syrup.
Yeah. Maple syrup. Here. Wait, all I want to do so you can pour it twice.
No, he doesn't need to pour it twice.
I'm gonna put it in there.
There.
Okay. Do about half a cup. Yeah, slowly. Keep going. That's only a little drizzle. That's good. I'm glad you're going slow.
Is that enough?
No, not quite. Tip it up a little bit so it's more than just a trickle.
Oh, whoa.
There you go.
Okay.
Now lid it. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah. Do what?
Not let you pour the coconut milk.
Yeah, pour in some
You
strawberries.
gonna dump in the strawberries?
Yeah.
But wait, I want to get one. This slow.
Oh, let him have one. Get one.
You want a frozen strawberry?
It froze to my fingers.
Oh, come on.
Oh, my fingers are frozen now.
Not all of them. There you go. Try that. See what that looks like.
Probably
Do you
gonna
want a
look
strawberry?
good, but not taste good. My tongue's stuck too. We used to get pieces of ice, just plain ice
This
we
is
made,
thick.
and then we would lick them, and then it would stick to our tongues.
Yeesh.
It made our tongues cold.
Yeah, I would say. You know what? I just realized I got this container to hold my popsicles and then I filled it up.
Can I do that? Can I do one of them?
When it gets a little emptier, yes.
As you can hear,
I guess we'll have to just carry
Naomi is winding up some strawberries.
That is what you can hear. Can you hand me a bag? keep me in bags. Is it yum? You don't need popsicles, you just need frozen fruit. Whoops.
I want this to put this in there.
Oh, you can't put a whole strawberry in there. How would you do that?
Strawberry. And let it flow. Can you help me open this, Mom? Can you help me open this, Mom?
Not yet. Just a minute. It might have to be Sim when he comes back, because I can't set this down till I'm done.
Swirl.
Oopsie.
Did you taste this one? Is it as good? Oopsie. That's okay.
Huh? It's for my strawberry.
Oh no, did you catch it? Oh, good catch.
I got it with my legs.
There you go.
Thank you.
Need to, oh, you're getting me a bag?
Drippy, 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 drippy. Double did it.
Over
Double
did
did
it.
it.
Over.
I
did
like
it.
double digits.
Or
Double digits? You like double digits?
Yes, the two
Who is a double digit here?
So we'll fit in the
Lilley.
Lily.
Hey, I'll cut your bag so it will fit in.
Cut what bag?
No, don't cut it because it won't be a bag anymore.
No, this is the top where it zips.
Did you figure it out?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Whoa.
Okay, so what did you guys decide we're doing?
Whoa.
Smoothies.
Yeah.
Smoothies.
Oh, those are eggs underneath you, bud.
Oh. Evenly. I need all the cups right here so I can pour them.
Okay, Tommy, can you move over here?
Can I still put
Here,
them
wait a
in?
second.
This is the best smoothie in the world. Because
You're gonna have to be careful and pay attention to pouring because it's
I
really,
didn't get a
excuse me, thick. Oh, here, we have a,
20 out of 10 plus.
let's give it a stir so that it's more,
I didn't get
easy to
do an icicle. I didn't get to do pour
Yeah,
ice.
no one did.
okay, there you go.
Only Mom.
Naomi, I'm doing
Yeah,
evenly.
this is too thick to pour
Yeah,
them very
it's
easily.
scary.
So once it melts a little bit, you can.
What does Sim get to?
Good. I'm trying to do it like squat, 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 squat. Oh! It's starting to go fast. Well, that's squat.
Okay.
And pour some more in here.
Looks
Now
so
it's my
pretty.
turn. Is it my turn, Mom?
Can he pour the rest of that in there?
Yeah. Pour the rest of it in my cup. Kind of slow, kind of slow. Tip it that much.
Good job.
I don't tip it anymore because it kind of clumps together. Oh, the rest of it, the rest of it.
Does Nay want more in her
Wait,
cup?
Tip it up. I'm sure. I'm gonna give Haya time.
This one's full enough. Let's do this one.
Which one's mine?
Oh, Haya can have the strawberry trunk.
Yeah, it'll probably be this afternoon though before we do more.
Yeah, and then we'll. Yeah!
Yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4,
I'm gonna let mine do
5,
frosting inside.
6. Is that right? 6, 7,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Say it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next
Thank
time.
you for watching. See you next time.
Give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up.